Hello guys, welcome to another vlog and currently nasa labas ako ng bahay namin kasi we're going to the beach. Okay, and it's currently 3 a.m. and nakatulog naman ako pero hindi ako nakakain ng dinner kasi yung ulam is tahong and medyo nangangasim-ngasim ako. Maangat yung acid sa san ko na naman for the highest sake. Pero nadala akong beach mat and here's my bag. I packed just a while ago. Okay, hindi ko na nakapakita kasi namamadali ng mga person. Kasi baka tanghaliin kami ng abot dun sa beach kasi medyo malayo-layo siya. Pero here's the vlog and see you later. So, hope hindi siya umulan today and maging sunny kasi for the vibe. Okay, hindi ko nga nadala yung chair eh. So, come with us. We'll see you later.
Turn right, then continue straight.
Sila. Nandito na kami. Ayan. Sila kayo sake. Sitakbo-takbo. Nandito na kami sa beach. And right now, feeling ko ano ko yun. Wala tingin dito.
Di ba hindi sa dagat na to, no?
All I can do is sleep and no worry. Tapos sumarap. Baka nga dun banda sila eh. So, hello guys. It's currently almost 2 p.m. and currently kakagising na namin kasi ang dami nangyari, obviously. And right now, they're blasting off a Abichuoke while I film here and using my older sister phone as a mic. Okay. And right now, actually, so far, so good naman ang aking beach trip to. Ang timing na umaga, we just, have a picnic, blanket, lying on, reading some books, and chilling, and taking some pictures bandang dun sa may dulo ng beach na to. And then, right now, after lunch, we just fall asleep. Okay.
Stress?
Pauwi na kami, so mag-aalas 3 na, and sabi nila alas 3 daw uuwi, and ngayon papunta na ako sa dagat para mag last minute anong tawag nun? Babad and makauwi, ganun. Let's go kasi dad ko nandito din.